What's up, everybody, and welcome back to some more Big Pharma. Just realized there's actually an out right here. Probably could use that. But first, let's see how our drugs are doing. New drugs for a new day. Ease asthma and increases blood pressure. Pretty good on asthma attack stops. And not so bad on the blood pressure, so I think we're, well, could be better. Could be better. Nice wart removal, though. Doing really well on that. Very, well, decently profitable. That's asthma thing, though. It's working out nicely. So, in that case, we're actually waiting on a little bit of research, and we are making money. Despite our operating costs involving the loan, yeah, we're actually making money, which is very nice. It's very, very important that we are making money. 14% operating margin, 15% operating margin. That feels good. It feels real good. Ooh. Boy, that tanked really fast. Alright, maybe we should update our asthma medicine, because that tanked really hard. Let's go ahead and pause. So actually, knowing that we can exit right here, I actually could have done more up in here. But the wart thing is actually doing really well, so I'm not going to tamper with it. This I need to tamper with, though. Let's drop it down. Well, let's see. This is 4 to 10. This is at 8. If we ionize it once, we could potentially just get it right in there. I don't know if we need to ionize it. Let's get you guys out of the way. You guys can be over here. Out of the way. So let's delete that. Let it finish its cycle here. It's just going to be pure profit out of these. Let it finish selling them, and beautiful. Tank all these. Get all that's gone. All right. So what we're going to end up wanting is probably something along the lines of this. That will end up going out.
Invalid position.
Out like that. All right, that's our out. So we need to drop this down. What, 3 was it? Because we're at 10. We need to get to 7, so it needs to go down 3. Dissolvers are cheaper, so if we can fit them, it looks like we can. 2, 3. I think that'll work. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and then spit them out. Alright, that should work out quite nicely, and it keeps it a little bit cheaper, because again, the dissolvers are nice and cheap, so I'm gonna have to rename the drug again. We're gonna change another drug. So, unfortunately, this ease asthma plus increased blood pressure, Metroid 09, that's gonna go away. Unfortunately. Sorry, Metroid. But we have to actually make a profit here. Ooh, our wart removal isn't... It's fluctuating. It's right on the edge of C and C+. Really fluctuating there.
Required.
Oh, here we go. A new asthma reliever. This one is... Whoops. There went my list. What? That is... SK... What? SK... WURL... Y... Wrath. Ah, there we go. Wrath. Alright. Whirly Wrath. Squirrely Wrath. Alright, there we go. Squirrely Wrath. That's what it is. Our Squirrely Wrath medication. Here we go. Here's hoping it's actually better. We'll see. So the different concentrations will yield different potencies of the drug. So far, this looks like a really potent drug. So we're not selling the Abda Attack Ease. We're not selling the Metroid 09 anymore, so get rid of that.
Research complete.
Aha! Research complete. Basic auxiliary. Let's jump right into a multi-mixer. I would love a multi-mixer. Reduce anxiety with cryogenic... Ah! Ooh! Treat bronchitis. We need a catalyst for that, though, which means we do need a multi-mixer. Ingredients. Do we have a catalyst? I don't think so. We do not. We would need 2 explorers to get a catalyst. Let's go ahead and hire 1 explorer. Go ahead and grab the pain medication. Get that working again, because we can afford it. And we're going to have to look into actually expanding to a new place here soon. We're going to need to do that. Now, this... Oh, look, that's a B over here. We got a B on our alleviates insomnia, and our E's asthma sitting at a C+, probably end up being a B, maybe even an A out of that. That's actually looking really good. It's just about there at a C+. This the other drug was just going to keep going down in value.
New world event.
What's up? People are getting fatter, resulting in an increase in hypertension. The demand for some kind of appetite suppressant is surging. I don't think we have an appetite suppressant available to us, actually. Oops, go to cures. We have female contraceptive, anxiety, bronchitis.
A competitor has completed a new patent.
Ooh. It covers any pill with the following set of active effects. Soothes coughs. So for 12 months, nobody else can soothe coughs. Hang on, how do I do patents? Because they're just like immediately popping these out. Paint, delete, makers, auxiliary, advanced. How do you do a patent? It says what, it was in research? Was it in research? I don't remember. I don't know. There it is, right there. So patents. Okay. Can patent cures up to level 1? Oh, so you have to keep upgrading it. Oh, well, so I'm not worried about level 1 so much. I'm on level 2, and I'll probably be jumping into level 3. Look, that's already a B. It's already making more money. Beautiful. All right. Let's buy up all of this building, and we are going to go and try and make treat bronchitis. 102% demand. Ah, no, we need a catalyst for that. That's right. We need a catalyst for that. We could do the female contraceptive. How about that? We'll do female contraceptive. So we need to take our removes warts, bump it up to 13 to 15, ionize it to get the female contraceptive. Okay. So let's start here, because why not? Removes warts. Starts at a 9. So we want to get this up to 13, up 4. And then ionize it. Alright, so we'll go basic. I'll use an evaporator here. So we'll do 1 evaporator. And then we'll also do an agglomerator, because it fits in beautifully. So we're up 4, and then we need to ionize. We do, there we go, look at that. So it ionizes beautifully. Okay, so let's send that through. And then after that,
has released a new
what's
product.
up? Ooh, asthma reliever to the Squirrely Wrath. Well, unlucky for you, our Squirrely Wrath is pretty good stuff. Okay, cool. We have a female contraceptive. Need a triple catalyst to upgrade it from there. So, if we got it all the way down to 1, we could get rid of dry mouth. All the way down to 1. That would be very expensive. It'd be 3 ionizers is what it would be. 3 ionizers. So, let's go. Well, hang on. So where are we going to put our little pill printers? Because if we put them here, like that, then if we have ionizers, okay, that could work. 1, 2, and then 3 ionizers. So 1, 2, 3. Whoops, make that a corner. Like that. Okay, so that's our female contraceptive right there. Alright. With no dry mouth, hopefully it'll be good. We'll see. It does leave, because this long little line right here does leave an opening, potentially, to alleviate erectile dysfunction. Seems useful. Alright, here we go. There's our pill.
Name required.
So this new female contraceptive has the wonderful name of Bad luck player. All right, the best contraceptive on the market. Bad luck player. I don't know if that's a contraceptive I would trust, but
Research complete.
I'm not a female. Who knows? I'm not a marketing person. Maybe the marketing people came up with the idea. Maybe it's the right one. Let's make an analyzer. I want an analyzer. And while we're doing that, we'll do national headquarters. Actually, hang on. Give me a point first. Right there. There we go. We have a research point. All right, let's go ahead and
New
cheapen
ingredient
up.
discovered.
Oh, we have a new ingredient. Let's cheapen up our dissolver by 1. New ingredient. It's a painkiller that causes pins and needles. I'm not sure what pins and needles are, but it sounds bad. So we need 2 to continue. That's a blood medication or a psychological medication. Both sound like it could be good. Regardless, we need to hire another explorer. Expensive, these explorers. Let's check out psychological. Why not? There's a lot of money into the psychological field. We've almost used all of our loan money. My goodness. As long as we're profitable, right? That's the important bit. So, female contraceptive is less than 50% effective. Yeah. And we're also, our margin is like $9. Yeah. Let's go ahead and alter the bad luck player. Maybe take a single ionizer out of it. Now this will give us the side effects. It's worth noting, this will give us the side effects. It will open up the dry mouth, but maybe it'll be more powerful at a concentration of 4 instead of a concentration of 1. Or at the very least, more profitable.
Research complete.
This one is going to be called Berserk
Product name
1.
required.
Berserk 1. Alright. Named off. Cool, we have the analyzer. We do not have national headquarters yet. We'll go ahead and wait to pick that up, and then we'll pick up the shaker as well. But now that we have the analyzer, actually, we could stop messing around and actually figure out what the heck we need to do with the female contraceptive here. So, the bad luck player, no longer in production. It was less than 50% less than 50% useful. It's about the same on the Berserk 1. Interesting name for a female contraceptive. So we need an analyzer here. This is not working at all. We need to have an analyzer. And I think we'll just go ahead and take this from location to location. Don't take away all the production, but take away some of it. So this will tell us what we actually need. What's the good concentration for this female contraceptive?
Complete.
What's up? Ah, yes, national headquarters. Wonderful. Ooh, desert expeditions could be good. But I want the shaker first. We have the multi-mixer. Let's get the shaker. We can start producing combo drugs. So, for example, before we zoom back in here, we could produce a female contraceptive that also eases migraines. Seems like something that would be fairly useful. Or a drug that reduces anxiety and alleviates erectile dysfunction. Again, seems like a good combo. The different ones you slap together. So if we did both of these, for example, then we would have the drug worth 1,200. Over 1,200 is what it would be worth because it adds the two numbers together in the sale price. So using the multi-mixer is a really effective way to boost how much money you're actually pulling out of these things. Yeah, this is better. The Berserk is better than Bad Luck Player at actually stopping pregnancies. It's also a lot more money. Goes from $9 to $44, so that's worth it. Wow, this asthma drug, though. Look at that. B+. Boy, that is our big moneymaker right now, is our asthma drug. That is so good. We haven't even analyzed it. We may actually, honestly, I don't think we'll really need to analyze. Well, we should analyze the wart one, I guess. We could do better with insomnia. But our asthma drug, I don't think we really need to analyze that. We're pretty dead on. Pretty close on that. But our
New
insomnia drug?
ingredient discovered.
Maybe. Oh, hey, ingredient. What do you have? Antidepressant that causes constipation and encourages anxiety. But it's a catalyst, so we'll probably throw that into one of ours. We need desert expeditions. Let's go ahead and grab the blood catalyst as well. Maybe it'll be a little bit better and not causing issues. Oh, hey, what do we got? Dry mouth. Are we dead on dry mouth? Yeah, we are worst case scenario for dry mouth. Max strength 4, concentration 4. So that's bad. We'll probably need to readjust here for the female contraceptive because the dry mouth, you're dead on. That's pretty bad. It stops a reasonable number of pregnancies, but it's not as good as it should be. Unfortunately, we are losing money at an alarming rate. We need the shaker.
Analysis complete.
Okay, good. Okay, production floor. Max strength is actually max concentration. Not always the case. So we need to go up 2. Well, in that case, let's remove the ionizer and make the whole thing a dissolver. Get rid of that, do that, and that. Alright. So this is the perfect female contraceptive that we can produce.
A competitor has released a new product.
Ah, breath reducer. Or breathe reducer. Alright, so this... Sorry, the Berserk one is now obsolete as we are now producing the... what is it? The Melon Ripper. Alright then. Sounds uncomfortable. Sounds very uncomfortable. Look at that. 3 for 3, 4 for 4. It's perfect. This looks like it'll actually end up being very, very valuable. So, and it's actually cheaper. We already are making more money off of it because we took out an ionizer. So,
research complete.
Beautiful. Research complete. Wonderful. We have the shaker. Let's unlock desert expeditions. We need to have something for our ingredients. All right. Go ahead and move these two into our new facility. And we'll have to figure out what to do with these. All right. And move our analyzer into our other facility. Cool. Do we have an open... We do have an open slot over here. Let's go ahead. Ah! I keep deleting it. Okay, there we go. Wasted $100. That's okay. Let's go ahead and analyze maybe our antidepressant. Yeah, let's analyze our antidepressant. Learn more about it. Find maybe a good concentration for it. So, the next thing I imagine we should be working on here. Let's see, we don't have a double or triple catalyst. We have a double catalyst. So maybe we want to treat bronchitis next, which means we need to make the asthma drug into a bronchitis drug. Make a whole new chain on that. Now, I don't want to mess up our current asthma setup because it's actually working out really well over there. And I don't think we have the money right now to fully develop the bronchitis. Because the multi-mixer itself is going to eat up all the money we have right now.
Analysis complete.
What's up? Ingredient discovered. Relieves hypertension, but causes sleepiness, inflames the skin, and random fainting. Okay. Maybe not the drug for me, but we'll get desert. We'll get the desert here in a month, so we'll just go ahead and let our explorers generate some points to maybe make some of this stuff a little bit cheaper. Wow. So which catalyst do we want to use? Do we want to use the antidepressant or the hypertension? Because ultimately we need to pick one. Now, the sleepiness can be removed with the ionizer, as can the random fainting, in the same concentration of 14. So if we get it to 14 and ionize it, we could get rid of both. That does get rid of our catalyst, though. This one gets rid of 1 to 5 concentration with an agglomerator, and we can get rid of constipation. So we could get rid of both for the antidepressant. So we'll probably go down this route. But to treat bronchitis, its active range is 6 to 11. 6 to 11 for the active range for bronchitis. Now, this will probably end up being a double drug. Could do female contraceptive that treats bronchitis, actually. If we keep it at 6, it's inside both of those. And we already have a factory for female contraceptive, so all we have to do is stop shipping it out and just put that straight into a multi-mixer. So we're already halfway done. We're already halfway done treating bronchitis. We just need to get the catalyst set up. Although that actually, hang on, that doesn't work, 'cause that's removes warts. Antihistamine, right? No. Which one was it? Antidepressant and the painkiller. No. Gosh dang it, I already forgot. Short attention span. Goldfish over here. Sorry, guys. Antidepressant and hypertension are the ones we have. Antidepressant and hypertension. Okay. 6 to 12. 15 to 20 for both of these. ADHD, that's actually really good. 389, that's really good. Okay, so we'll probably treat... Ooh, but that's 0 to 6 that needs to be ionized. I think that destroys. 0 to 6 and ionized to upgrade it. That was for the no, that was for hypertension. That is not destroyed for hypertension. The catalyst. It is not destroyed for hypertension. Double check. It was hypertension, right? Hypertension, 6 to 12, get it to 0 to 6. Okay. So we use hypertension to mix with bronchitis as both the catalyst and as the benefit. So, let's go. Let's start here. And we will grab the catalyst for hypertension. Okay, and then we will go ahead and dissolve right off the bat. So, a quick dissolve and then an ionize.
Invalid position.
Yeah, you're fine. So let that run a little bit. Hang on, have you researched everything here? No, we don't know the antidepressant or encourages anxiety. Okay. So it gets it to 7. That's actually not good enough, is it? Needs to be 0 to 6. Whoops. Pull you off. Dissolver. Like so. Like so. Sorry. There we go. So that will do what we need to do. Doesn't even cost us any money to get that ionizer. Okay. Treats angia. We could increase it to reduce stroke risk. That's interesting. Have you finished your research yet? Still 1 month. We haven't done anything. Okay. So we have our catalyst ready to go. Now we need to set up our chain for... Whoops, I totally forgot which one it was. Our chain for... Not hypertension. Treats bronchitis. Yeah, because this is the one we can do. So for soothes coughs, we need to set up that chain. Okay. Whoops. And soothes coughs. Great. So to upgrade you, we need to get you to 8 to 11. So we need to get you up 4. And then agglomerate. So if we go up 1, 2, and get a couple more evaporators set up. 3, 4. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. That will make you into the ease asthma. Hang on, that gets you right. So we need to agglomerate it, which we don't have enough money to do. Okay.
Analysis complete.
Aha, we know how good the antidepressant is, and that's actually what we needed to know.
Analysis complete.
Okay, stop. What's up? They made a pain soother. Alright then. So how are we doing? Our Pregaway, our Melon Ripper, is at a B. Nice. It's going up. Nice. Our asthma sitting in an A. Our wart reliever is a C+, but that's good enough. And we're going to go ahead and end the episode there, guys. We're doing pretty well. We're making money. We're making some good money. And as always, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you next time with some more Big Pharma as we go ahead and try and make a bronchitis drug. A super bronchitis drug. Aha! We ease asthma. Now we just gotta mix it and dissolve it. That'll be next episode, guys. DFTBA.